All right, guys and gals, Crypto Kurt here, and I'm just going through a couple of trades that I've made recently for a couple different reasons. One, to blow my own horn, of course. Two, to basically show anyone who's new to this that A, you don't need thousands of dollars. Matter of fact, I'm going to show you how I got in with, in one instance, less than $100, in the other instance, about $250. In the first instance that I'm going to show you, I've got a 271% return in about, I don't know, 14 days. And the other one is a 14 times return, but that took about 3 months. So, as I said, there's a couple different things to be aware of here. First is time can be your friend with these things. Another thing I'll mention is that both these purchases were made using zero technical analysis. All I've done was basically found a crypto, read the white paper, decided that I liked the idea, and then put some money behind it. Now, I will also say that both of these wins, this 271% win and 14 times win, have both happened this past week. So in other words, I bought 2 weeks ago, and it blew up. Cardano blew up this week, and then I bought back in September, and you'll see the other coin, Verge, has blown up this week as well. So while I've made all these wins in this week, one happened very quickly, and one I had to wait for. Okay, so let's go through the first one, which is Cardano, symbol ADA. Cardano is a decentralized public blockchain and cryptocurrency project and is fully open source. Cardano is developing a smart contract platform which seeks to deliver more advanced features than any protocol previously developed. It is the first blockchain platform to evolve out of a scientific philosophy and a research-first driven approach. The development team consists of a large global collective of expert engineers and researchers. So basically, just in doing my normal research and just looking at the coins and going through white papers, I found this one, read through the white paper. I'm not going to go through it like one of my normal coin analysis here. Basically, it's a blockchain that's been built by academics. And so it's had some rigorous testing done. And, you know, at the end of the day, if you're going to have a blockchain, don't you want it built by smart people? Of course, you know, you've got technicians and software engineers behind a lot of these blockchains. But again, I think, you know, when you start getting academics behind it, there's a little bit higher level of rigor, if you will, that might go into the design. So anyway, I just liked the concept and decided to put a little bit of money into this coin. Okay, so what you see here is a copy of my invoice. This was dated December 6th. Obviously, my personal details are at the top, so you don't have to trust me on the date. But this was purchased on December 6th. You can see it's $220 Australian, $213 worth of coin, and then $6.41 for the fees. You can see that at that time I was paying 18 cents, 19 cents rounded up per token. And again, that was on the the 6th of December. The second purchase happened on the 14th of December, and basically what happened was I had $36 left in the account after I had purchased some other some other altcoins, and decided to take my account down to zero and just basically throw the $36 at ADA. And you can see it was almost the exact same price, even though it was a week later between the 6th and the 14th. So here is a 1 month chart of the ADA token. You can see on the 4th, on the 6th, I picked up my first batch somewhere in here. Again, this is US pricing, and remember, again, I'm in Australia paying Australian pricing. And then the second purchase again was on the 14th, pretty much again right around the same price. And then you can see, guys, what happened. It's gone moonshot, right? Now, this is a perfect example of me just applying some intelligence and looking and reading a white paper and just realizing that, you know what, I want to have some money in something like this. Anything that is being designed, again, with academics and with the rigorous amount of research which was gone into to their platform, I wanted to be involved with. And it looks like a whole lot of other people decided right after I did to get involved. So again, this is one of those things where it was blind luck. To be perfectly honest, again, I'm applying no technical analysis to these. I basically found the coin a couple weeks ago, read the white paper, decided I want to put some money behind it, and then bam, it blew up. So again, perfect example of where you can get started with as little as $36. You know, the $36 would have been 271% higher So you'd have 35, 70, $100. So 35 would go up to $100 roughly. Again, my 220 has gone up to, let me double check that for you. So my 220 is worth $958. So let's do this. Let's go $958 divided by 220. And that's not right. There we go. So do that again. 598 divided by 220. And we're getting, there's a 271% increase on Cardano. And again, that happened in 2 weeks. So $220 is now worth $598. And again, that's 220 that I got started with no technical analysis. Just getting completely lucky on this one. And there's the irony of YouTube. I am going to do a sell price today, and since I've been doing this video, which I don't know, has been running 7 minutes, the coin's dropped 5 cents. So I'm going to put this on hold and go do my sale. All right, and here's a copy of my sell order, which I just finished. So 285 of those pulled me out $190. So I'm not pulling out 100% of my original investment, which was $250. I'm pulling out the $190 because, to be honest, I want to let this run. That is my personal philosophy, guys, is to put a couple $100, $400, and granted that'll go up as I get more capital. But put $200 or $300 or $400 into one of these alts, and then wait until basically I get 100% return. Once I get 100% return, I sell half of the original capital, pull that out, and then basically the rest of the time I'm running with house money. In this instance, because it ran up so fast, I was able to actually get a little bit better scenario for me there. But anyway, once again, guys, it's a matter of getting in here and just playing the game.